Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can access TikTok Shop on PC, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for TikTok Shop on Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to click on it and you will be redirected to the official TikTok Shop page, where you can see login button at top right corner. Just click over there and now you can see three options. First one is seller center, another is streamer desktop, and last one is partner desktop. So you simply need to click on seller center and now you'll be redirected to another page where you need to simply select your region. So now let's click on enter, and now you'll be redirected to the login page of TikTok Shop, where you can see sign up option. So once you click on it, you'll be redirected to the official sign up page of TikTok Shop, where you need to register yourself. And finally, once you verify yourself, you'll be able to see the login option some in the screen, where you simply need to enter your credentials and finally click on login, and you'll be able to access TikTok Shop successfully. So basically, this is how you can access TikTok Shop on PC. And if you still encounter queries to do with this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.